Hey folks, Adam Chell here, Place Real Estate Team, Oakwyn Realty. First week of January. Today is the 5th. This is probably coming to you either on the 5th or the 6th. So really early on in 2023. Happy New Year. I hope you guys had some great time off with your family and friends. Two things before we get into the statistics today. The first is your BC assessment is out. So what the government thinks your house is worth and what therefore you're going to pay tax on for the year 2023. Now, I've had a couple of clients call me with two questions, really. The first being one client had an error on their BC assessment. It said they had 2 more bedrooms in their house than they actually did. And the second thought that their valuation from the government was outrageous. So do check that. If you have any errors on there, you want to get that corrected. And the second thing you can do is challenge your assessment if you think it's too high or too low. So reach out to me if you need help with that. Obviously, I'm not working for the government, but I could provide you some data if that helps. Second thing is, you'll notice for 2023, we're going to do something a little different with our emails. You're going to get a lot more information about Vancouver, what's going on in the city, to bring more value to you as our friends and clients. So let's get into the numbers for 2022. Last year, so this is the year summary, there's 28,903 sales of residential property in the Greater Vancouver area. That's 34% less than 2021, which we could probably put down to a record year, and 13.4% below the 10-year average. So we're definitely seeing sales levels down. And across all property types, over the last 6 months, we've seen a 9.8% decrease, almost 10% decrease in the average pricing. What's interesting for the month of December, last month there were 1,295 sales. I want to make sure I get this right for you. Now, what I highlighted was the average detached price is now 1.823 million, which is obviously still, a very high number. But in the last 6 months, that number has come down 11.4%. So as I said in the last video that I sent out to you guys, people that are looking to either get into the market for a first-time buyer deal, or people that are moving up market from a condo to a townhouse to a detached house, are seeing some really, really good results. We have several clients doing this right now, and they're doing very well because the deal we're getting on the more expensive property is a greater value than their current property may have decreased, if that makes sense. Any questions about that? Anything at all in the world I can do to help you with regards to real estate, reach out to me as your real estate resource. You know where to find me. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Make it a great 2023.